back to the channel. So today is Saturday and it's almost 4:30 in the evening. We are going to San Gregorio Beach. It's on Highway 1 and you all might know Highway 1 is the most popular route in California. It has all the nice beaches and it has like beautiful scenic views. So we are almost there and today it's going to be fun because we have got food with us today. We picked some nice snack from Panda Express and we are going to eat and sit there on the beach and enjoy. Let's see. I'll see you there soon. Wait for it, guys.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you.
So we have made it to the beach and we are just picking our stuff and then we'll crash. Shivi is in doubt that we'll not be able to fly the drone today because it's too windy, and especially on these beaches it's always windy. And you could see the parking, it's all full. There are like a lot of people. They've brought all the stuff from their home.
Where do we go?
Where do we go? Let's first we have to figure out where is the entry. We have got all the stuff. We have got beach mat, food, drinks. So today we are all prepared and I'm so excited.
Should we go that way?
Where? Which way? I think this is the way. We're almost there and Shivi and me are trying to find a nice space where we can put a mat and sit there, and we are looking for a shady place where I don't think we'll get. Here's a rock, so maybe there are so many birds also here. And as you could see, people have got their tents and they are just chilling, sleeping, eating. So this is a nice beach. This can work as a table for us. Okay, we finally got a spot. And Shri, can you hold this? And here is a little wooden log and we'll just use it while we are eating. Okay, I'll see you guys. Chill. You can put this under your head. So later we'll see. We'll try if we are able to fly the drone today, but it's too windy and we have to check whether they allow us to fly it. So let's see, guys. Stay tuned. Time to eat now. It's time for fortune cookie now. Let's see what I get. It says you are a fun-loving person and will find much happiness. Actually, that's true. And Shivika Shivi, it was your courage will guide your future. Wow. So if you see behind me, there are like many people. It's a lot of crowd and everyone has picked a particular spot, but a little bit further there, it's like totally packed, and we didn't feel safe to like put a mat there and sit there. We just came towards this side where it's little empty, as you can see. It's not that crowded here, and we were like, okay, this is the nice spot, and we're just chilling for now. I think after an hour we'll try to fly a drone and then we'll head back home. And Shiva is chilling there. I think it's too sunny today and it's warm, it's good. Kids are enjoying the water. Okay guys, so actually we were waiting for the sun to go down a little bit, but I think it's going to take a lot more. So we are setting up the drone and we are ready to fly. So we'll try to show you some nice shots. Wait for it.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl?
Meanwhile, I thought I should share some more info about like beaches in California. I was reading, so there are almost 420 beaches in California. Can you imagine? I think more than 420 beaches. So let's see. As we make more videos, I'll try to show you each and every beach because I love beaches. तो ये पूरा coast line है जो highway 1 है, बहुत popular है. तो यहाँ पे continuously there are like I cannot guess, but there are like many beaches on this highway 1. This is one of the beach and it's so nice. So we thought before heading back home, let's take a little beach walk. हम थोड़ा सा walk करते हैं and उसके बाद we'll be out of here. If you see behind us, there is a little trail also. People are hiking there. So this beach was nice. I mean, there aren't much activities to do, but you can just come and sit peacefully. So guys, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Shivi, bye. Bye guys.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down?